Welcome, welcome, boys. This should be a familiar sight. It's the reservoir for the power steering fluid in our 03 Lincoln Town Car. So we're going to be changing that to some Mercon V. So what's actually in there is your regular Mercon from the factory, and Ford recommends as a replacement you use the Mercon V, which is the same stuff that's in the automatic transmission. Now, on my Crown Vic, I didn't realize that Ford had updated their service manual. So when I had my owner's manual and I looked into it, it said takes Mercon V for the transmission, which I put in there, and then regular Mercon for the power steering. So I was kind of like, that's kind of stupid. Why do I have to put two different fluids in? You know, why don't they just make it the same fluid? Well, apparently they did that after the fact, but I didn't learn about that until after I did it in the Crown Vic. So Crown Vic has new Mercon in the power steering and new Mercon V in the transmission. Town Car, we've already done the automatic transmission fluid Mercon V, and now we're going to change power steering. So the easiest way to do this is going to be pump that fluid out first that's in the reservoir, and then once we get that taken care of, we'll be able to fill it up with some Mercon V, turn the power steering system left and right while the engine's running. That'll take the new stuff, put it in through the system, the rack and everything, and then take the old stuff, put it back up there, and then we'll just suck it out again, fill it up with the good stuff, turn the wheel a few times, make sure there's no air in it or anything in the system, and then that's it. Boom, done. So this is going to be the easiest of the 4 videos I'm making today, and this will be the final one on the Town Car for a minute anyway. Once they go center, then just go ahead and stop it. Now shut it off. Alright, boys, and now we'll just rinse and repeat. I'll do that off camera. You know, you get the drill. Okay, boys, and yeah, that's not obstructing your view too much. Okay, so AT205 reseal. Now we don't have any leaks, but we want to make sure we don't get any either, so we'll of course put a wee bit of that in, and then top her off with our Mercon V. Also known as Mercon 5 for those who like Roman numerals. In case you haven't noticed, each video I kind of switch it back up. Some people call it Mercon V, some people call it Mercon 5. That it is. Alright, so power steering done. It's as easy as that. You can do that as many times as you want. I don't really see the benefit in doing it until you run like freaking 5 quarts through it. So, you know, 2 quarts, and then you can call it a day. So, alright, that's it. That's how we do the conversion from Mercon to Mercon V automatic transmission fluid in our power steering system in our 03 Lincoln Town Car. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.